In this Domotz Education Series video, we will show you how Domotz's global management capabilities can help you find and manage devices across your deployed agents, set device properties and settings across multiple agents and multiple devices simultaneously. As you increase the number of agents and start to optimize how you manage your client systems, you may find that you need to edit certain properties, names, or alerts within the Domotz environment. The Global Manage feature on the main menu of the Domotz applications allows you to make updates to agents and devices within all your agents on large scales. Once you are in the Global Manage service, you can search for specific keywords. It is important to select whether you want to search devices within all your agents or if you want to search the agents themselves. By default, we search across all devices. Note that as you search across devices, anywhere in the device page that this keyword shows up, we will populate that device on the page. As an example, if we type the word main, you will see that all devices with the word main show up in the list. You may notice that certain devices show up that do not show the word main in their title, but show it in their application protocols such as Bonjour, ZeroConf, DHCP, or any location field. After you have narrowed down the device list to the specific devices of interest, you can then use the Select checkboxes to select a subset of the devices you wish to modify. You will notice as you select a device, the device settings and device properties start to populate with that specific device details. As you select multiple devices, the settings and properties associated with those devices that are the same will continue to display. But when the settings or properties are different, Domotz indicates that multiple values are found. At this point, you can adjust the settings and properties of all the devices you have selected as needed for your application. One of the more powerful features of Domotz's global management is the ability to replicate settings and properties associated with devices and agents. If you use a specific set of devices for your customers and want to configure the same alerts every time, you can use a single device as a template, export its settings, and then import those same properties and settings to all of the devices as appropriate. This saves valuable time when onboarding new clients or when making modifications across all your agents. In this simple example, I've saved off the configuration for one switch and I'm importing that configuration to another switch. As I open the appropriate file for import, you can see the available settings and properties that can be imported. I want to focus on importing the SNMP sensors used and the shared alerts, so I've unchecked everything but the SNMP eyes settings and shared alerts. By clicking Import Configuration, the SNMP sensors associated with the original device are now available on the new device as well, and in this case, we left the triggers and shared alerts, so the alerts are also imported. When needing to configure agents for new shared alerts or modified names, you can easily do that by selecting Agents at the top of the Global Manage interface and searching for agent-specific details. In this example, I can locate agents that are associated to our demo site and then modify the shared alerts associated with those agents. If you have a client with multiple sites and they were to change their company name or email, you can easily modify that across all their agents at one time. Hopefully you have a better understanding of how the Global Manage feature works and can start using it today.